Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to turn on or off schedule power off on in your Lenovo K13. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently buy this Lenovo K13 and you are wondering there is a special features for power on or off. So in order to do that in Lenovo you can make here a schedule time. Let's your phone going to turn on that particular time, or let's your phone turn off that particular time. In order to do that you just swipe up just like this and then you need to click here setting. After click over setting, we're going to see a screen appear just like this. Here, you need to click here schedule power on or off. Now you can see here it's saying power on. If I'm going to turn this on, let here make power on time from, for example, 7 a.m., 7:30 or 7 anytime 7:50 a.m. or p.m. you decide to turn on, and then you can choose here the time which day to which day let's your phone going to be turned on that particular time. Also, if you decide to turn off the particular time, you can easily turn off the make this on, and then you can easily choose the time you want. For example, I want let my phone 11 p.m. And up to 11 p.m. automatically turn off, and then here you can choose the particular date you want. So in this way you can easily make schedule power off on in your Lenovo K13, but I'm going to turn this off. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.